Mark you. Yeah, man, dead. In that one.
One more. One more.
Bird fall up. 2 bird fall up. 3 bird fall up. 3 bird fall up. 3 bird fall up, my peeps. So we gotta got him. We have to stick in on me hand. So we gotta run. The piece of one jack look out. Don't know what vibes. I wanna get it. You got him.
And 2 we get so safety and lick him and phone him next time.
One fall up. Yeah, my peeps, so once again, evening hunting, we are out, you understand, different day, different adventure, all hunters out, fully active. Don't move yet to me. How in that front? Then, I'm in that front.
I can't video to make one video with sir.
Yeah, I'm up there. Yeah. Yeah, man. So yes, my peeps, we're out here fully active, going on the hunt again. You understand? Yeah, man. Different day, different adventure. You understand? This is an evening shoot, my peeps. So you don't know. When you don't see a couple of the morning hunt already, so you don't know. Say we are steady. Yeah, everybody ready. You understand? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And the rest of fellas them for the back. You know? Then they...
Hello, guys. Yo. There is a bird strong here. Come on, the position good.
So yeah, my peeps, as I say, we're out, fully active, and going on the bird on. Just catch us when we reach at the location. You understand? Going for the stand, you know. So when we reach for the stand, we know what we're going. What if you said today we're going, brother?
He said I'm going good.
Today I'm going good. Yeah, this is how I come to the job. Alright, sir. What, if you say you're back?
Eh?
If you say you're back?
Yeah, man, I'm back there.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man.
And that's what my peeps. I remember I said we are allowed to shoot 20 birds per session. And this is the evening session. So we hope to bag our 20 birds, which no more than 15 should be ball plate or white crown pigeon peeps. You understand? So we are abide by the rule and the law set by NEPA. Yeah, man. NEPA. We are adhere to the rules. So stay tuned as we set to the reach and the journey.
Wait, hey, hold
on. Remember when you used to go to school first time? Hold on. Remember when you used to go to school first time?
Take your belt off for you.
I do it confident. Yeah.
Bird down. Watch out. So guys, it must be action time. The action is on. You understand? Yeah, man. Everybody line up, holding them stands. Yes, man. So we're going on finding our stand because we're kind of far away. Late with these. We're a fine place to shoot. Man, you never know so I'll get him, peeps. You never know, man. You never know so I got him. First ball plate. Yes, man. White crown pigeon. Yeah. First one. Why are you in second bird like that, sir?
I'm going to get shot, sir.
No, I'm a shot. Stone will look
yeah, burn surgeon, you know.
Fluff, stone
so I'm inspecting to see if it's a good shot or not.
So what kind of shot that?
Not a bad shot.
But it could have been.
And people, this is the bird. I was shot by several shooters. Some people I can't call names.
Several shooters.
Remember, I make them look bad in fishing, so I can't make them look bad in shooting. Thing.
No! No! They can't say we look bad in shooting.
Don't worry.
Can I go to the corner? Bird down, bird down. Yeah, fall up. One fall up. First one fall up. First one fall up. Yeah, my peeps, see me here? Second one down that. Yeah, man, so we hide off. I watch the flight. Go over there, so Kirk. 4, nice one, get away. Yeah, man. This one, little one. Yes, my peeps, so they might fly high. You don't know high? Some piece and the crew out here fully active, you know. The boss himself. You see it? Yeah, man. So mark here. Yeah, man, dead bird. In that one. Back. One fall.
One more. One more.
Bird fall up. 2 bird fall up. 3 bird fall up. 3 bird fall up. 3 bird fall up, my peeps. 3 bird instant fall up. Listen, remember I said we're not playing. Remember I said we're not playing. 3 down. Remember I said I'm fully action packed. Yes, my peeps. So we gotta got him. We have to stick in on my hand. So we gotta run. The peeps don't want to drop it out. I'm running with vibes. So I'm out in the pan. Hey, chuck off for him, man. Get him. So I'm out in the pan. You know we are gonna get him, but the breeze are gonna blow him. Peeps, we have a lot of crooks in these, so we can't jump off like for the person did. One is over here. You got one already? Alright, that is it. 3. Huh? Oh, you could ask that. Fully active, man. One and only. Dead in the water, this. Yeah, man, dead in the water. What's it? How long will that take, sir?
Set me a bad luck.
Eh, right?
After me carry go fishing.
No, you not can go fishing.
Good fishing
You
spot.
not can go fishing.
Right? No, me carry go birding.
No, we can't go hunting, no make you see.
Right?
Please, we can't talk too loud.
And me have a die for bird in a pond with crocodile infestation. And
No,
you
we can't go hunting now.
Yeah, I mean
this is the wild.
I'm watch
You see it, we're not sure one little line.
I'm watching diving
Okay.
for bird in the pond.
Yes.
Right?
So you see when we say we bring out our friends fully action pack, you hear
Some
that?
never carry out.
You carry me out go to sport.
Say never go fishing.
No, that is not fishing.
What did you do?
That is throwing line.
And what happened?
Chewing.
What's supposed to come on the line?
Fish, but we never catch none. What you call that? Throwing line and not catch no fish, what you call that? Fishing net. Yo, I'm out. Alright, peeps, see the breeze is taking him closer and closer. Can go retrieve him now, you know?
Yeah, that's why we carry bicycle to sacrifice him to the crocodiles.
No, Percy, that's a Percy. That's a Percy, not me. Percy, I really forgot. Alright, peeps, 3 out of 3. Yeah, man. Alright, I'm gonna retrieve him now. Yeah, one more, peeps. Never caught on camera. So, I gotta stay low. You understand? Father Patrick will sit down and wait for him, bird. Where's the rum, please?
Birthday, happy birthday dear.
Rum, please.
Hey man, birthday.
I'm on birthday, guys. Today is Kirky's birthday. You see, Kirky, big up yourself for your birthday.
Yeah, big up myself for Kirky.
Yeah, man, big up yourself for your birthday, man.
Kirky, you know?
One Kirky.
One
Yeah, man,
Kirky.
it's one day. We got a young on-time peeps. We recruit them enough for as young as them be. You understand? Yeah, man. Retriever. No, you see what hunting is, sir? Huh? You wanna go catch fish? There it is. Look here, you're not going to have hook. Yeah, you be talking. You be talking. You hear that, sir? This is hunting here. Hunting at its best. Look at that, come and talk to people on the side.
People, this is something VIBEZ know nothing about.
Yeah, he is a madman. Actually, about 15 hook the day. Right now, you know, you're not even bait for trade at this with peeps. Yeah, man.
Yo, hello, Mr. Patrick.
Oh, Mr. Patrick, can go catch a breeze.
Catch that.
Hello, Mr. Patrick. Hello, come here.
Okay.
Where's it? Where's it now? Talk again.
You see it?
Talk again. Where's it?
Yeah, after Mr. Patrick is a very lucky guy. Why
And we can people have a good one, fishing experience.
Yes, in camp on experience. Listen, in camp go on sporting. In camp go on her. Oh, God. No way, turn. Turn them come in. Yeah, man, no one come in. Follow up. Straight in the pan. So we got two in the pan now, peeps. My peeps, when I hear the sound that's all I go. You see if this man did carry me out, I hear the fish will go so.
That's why the fish will go so. So why only me one catch fish?
Because your place, we was there just to visit.
So what?
Tour. Yeah, look here, I was stressed that day. And you carry me out and say as a friend. You carry me out.
Show people how you dress. Are you scared the bird? Show them.
No, me the bird them coming.
Show them the frill.
Then she say a real hunter, just the real way of the piece. Yeah, all the boot. You see it? Yeah, man. Big up to Jam Houston for them boot there. You see them boot are out and stunting. That's all in the water.
I judge you them boot there?
Yeah, I judge you them boot.
Fishing shoes, you can't get bird shooting. I bet.
I was everywhere them that they catch fish.
You know, say fish must soon come to the edge of the pan and shoes.
I think you think. I smell it.
I smell it. The alligator gar and the red snapper
Yeah,
them from frying.
Yeah.
If you the weirdest of my youth and I catch no fish.
If me the wear,
Yeah.
so me wear now I catch bird.
No, you see it. It's a hunting shoes. So you see, that's why I never catch no fish.
That's why I never wear this.
You weren't attired properly.
What if me the wear this?
And boom go
like
by,
a boom.
And boom go by camouflage hat. And the fish them say, oh, a bird you want. Make us stay far.
Boom say nah, he can't catch a fish when have no camouflage.
Man go buy all shots.
Peeps, tell me, comment and tell me which part to hear that. Boom, families and friends say he can't catch no fish because he have no camouflage. Father Patrick goes so answer and all this.
People, please support Boom family and friends.
Fully.
And George.
Jam Houston
Adventures.
Yeah, man, fully.
Kirky one.
Fully.
Kirky.
The Kirky birthday.
Kirky's birthday, big him up.
One Kirky boss.
VIBEZ. Right?
So you call everybody name and call for me. You just say vibes.
Cameraman of a
Something vibes, family and what?
VIBEZ family and friend
Adventure.
adventures.
No, not
TV.
family and friend adventure.
VIBEZ
Family.
Adventure TV.
Vibes family.
VIBEZ and Chevy and Alana and Harry.
I'm the
TV.
friends them.
And the friends.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
TV.
Yeah.
But please support Boom.
Yeah, man.
He really need it. He try fishing in our work. He try birding in our work. He might do little cooking. He might go on with him thing. Right? But support him.
Support him.
Please.
Support him. I'm trying. I try new.
All our friend.
I try new.
If you see me, I try with him, you know what say.
And people, if you don't got snake for donate. Yeah, man. You don't got some snake for donate, just donate them because Boom love snake, yeah? Yeah, man. And Father Patrick and Miss Debbie. Father Patrick, we wish you were here, you understand? You don't know. This is the third time you aren't here, so you don't know. Big up yourself for the way you are in this world. Yeah, man, one of our respect. You see it, we're out here, we're bagging.
Big up there,
You
big
see
up
it?
Nesha 2112.
Nisha?
Yeah,
Nisha what?
Nesha.
Nisha 2112.
12 of September I'm going to be 21.
Okay. Nisha, big up yourself from your dad, Kirky. Yeah, man. The month of September she gonna be?
21.
The 21 of September?
No, 12.
The 12th of September, you're gonna be 21. So you know, say they said number turn back way. So you don't know. Big up yourself, enough love and respect. And big up Kirky's wife, Kerry. Big up yourself, one love and respect, and in two son them. You know it's all about love. And big up Auntie Maxine. Auntie Maxine, this is hunting. You understand?
Next weekend is our anniversary.
Next weekend is anniversary?
Yeah. The 10th is my daughter's birthday, the 19th is my mother's birthday next month.
Okay.
So we're doing it for everybody. the
Happy
whole
family.
Right?
Happy family.
Yeah.
Big up
My wife may not be like Chevy. You ask me?
As
I say,
in?
As in, if me shoot on grass, we should jump up far.
But she love you regardless. And that I think.
Yeah,
It's all about love.
Chevy love you in your own way. I already miss the birthday. Chevy say, "You shooting me, see feather there."
Yes, that's what spouses do. Yeah, man. Have your spouse back. You understand?
That's lying.
No, that's not lying. That's true. So if you see one feather drop off, you're gonna say one feather drop off.
What?
Yeah. Oh, no.
Buy
This one for
bird
that.
for sure.
Eh? No, I told me see man mark him
No,
somewhere.
but I know that. Everything is a fly past you walk Kirky shoot.
Mark. Get him. Bird drop in the pan.
First shot lick him.
Bird. Yeah, the first shot lick him and next one second.
Hey, Mr. Patrick, got this shot.
Mr. Patrick, you see that? Yeah. Fish who couldn't do that.
I was thinking, where do
No,
this
Fish
thing
rod couldn't do
Fish
that.
line.
You couldn't do that. Fish line.
must have me
Me
put
got
that
fish
in, no?
line. Me got fish line there, but you
They have that carrot.
You can't do like this.
Mr. Patrick, first shot, take him, you know, like lick him.
Squasket. No, bird drop. Right in that pan, see them views. Yeah, man. How much shot already? With bagging. I one place with the bird is flying. Big up to Master Patrick, I say him carry the luck. But big up to Mr. Patrick. Carry the blessing. No, Master, I'm editing us, so we can't cut all the part there. He might edit this out, but I will carry the blessing. Don't worry about shot, man. Today birthday, you know. I make your shoot and done, no? I retrieve the bird, my piece. I wanna get it. You got him! The other one fall, the other one drop. He got no mangrove. Yeah, he got no mangrove. No mangrove. So I think my peeps notice how on the pan. Like I say, I want duck. What we have to do now, we don't have the stick long enough, so I have to wait till the breeze blowing. You understand? You over there now? You don't have to film? So what we have to do, we have to just wait till the breeze blowing close up, because you can't trust these pan breeze. There are a lot of, well, you know what it is, crocs. They're not alligators. Alligator is not in Jamaica, but here he is. See my peeps? So here we got him. Yeah, man, he tried to get away, but I got him. And there is the other one. Yeah, man. So 3 we get down one time again. So this is a 2-3 shot. Yeah, man. 3. Yes, man. We'll go back early to them peeps. Go back before evening time, I think. Yeah. Yeah, man. You're not gonna lie. But I pan might be in Japan River. One there. Two in my hand. Yeah, man. Action pack. Yeah, man. That's how we take out our guests to drink rum and relax. We let them know what hunting life is about. Understand? They're Rango. Yeah, man. See the boss himself, man.
I thought you were saying confident. Deal with the thing. Yeah, present to them, lick out something, you know?
Fully birthday.
Fully. You know what? I first shot another that close.
That's how we treat our guests, you know.
Up in their place.
Later, man, remember come you get later, okay?
No, a boom.
Later, yeah.
A boom.
Later.
You retrieve him, no? You retrieve him, people, we couldn't find. Yeah.
Eh?
Sister, they get him. The piece.
Later, man, go and enjoy
No.
yourself. Let's go.
A boom. Family
Later,
friends to
man,
get at him.
But boom will be here,
You
sharp.
have to call him a Mose.
I get that drink me a patch
A Mose. Them piece, eh? Yeah, man. 1, 2, 3,
No, you're doing it. You're
4,
doing it now, man.
5,
Them will come all and go, man.
6 and
Not all
7.
them are coming.
And 1 9 and make 8. And 1 more come. 9. Huh? What's the study? Anybody there you find him?
Yeah, man.
How far you go for that one then?
Me know, man.
Far you go for that one then?
That's why alligator
Oh, I think I'm out there. Yeah. In the alligator hole.
I win get shot.
I have to wait till the breeze blow, then 2 they go over there, so. It's 2 there.
You're even there for what?
Talk again, Patrick. You know what?
Don't support foolishness, Patrick.
Camouflage, what? Hey, I supposed to say camouflage, not camouflage.
You alright, you know?
Yeah, you're right. I camouflage, you know me too.
Yes. And that part means, I mean,
Camouflage,
Camouflage, not camouflage.
Camouflage, man, camouflage.
Hey, them a camouflage. Big up for the fat chick, you know. Yeah, man, him no make it to them piece, so they don't know. One of our respect, you know. Yeah, really. You're good.
Bird a fly, man. I tell you, bird a fly, man.
You reach over pan now.
And time early still.
You reach over there? Oh, one there. Oh, so they reach over there. Hey, Mark.
My daughter and son. It's your stand up. Alex and Charlotte. Yeah. Yeah, nice.
Jump.
Yes.
Two jump.
Two of them. Yeah.
Two jump.
Yeah.
I'll do them in a sweat them jump.
Yeah, man.
Just them one them jump. I'll do.
Two of them.
Two of them jump, peeps. Hey, remember saying, you know, I wish a bird season for turn up. And my general can shoot, I'm not going anything on that. Other top general out there can shoot as well. You understand? Right, I'm going to swear and drop it. Honestly.
Wide.
Peeps. The general are coming, two of them, you understand? Yeah, man. Big up yourself, daddy. Got them, you know?
What's it?
Got it. Where's the button pants?
Right,
Where's the button pants? No pants are hot pants.
That's not a camouflage.
Awa.
Fish man.
This is a hideout. Hide anything.
It's the pants.
This is a
when you're on dock.
Yeah.
Yeah, right pants that in the
When I'm hunting.
When the breeze blow up and it
Look here.
Yeah, man.
Wait. In Brazil, the plane fell out of the air. So what you have to survive?
What is that? Come out and push it.
What? Come on, that plane I should be playing to backside. What are you talking about? I'm best thing man.
Hey, they enough they have plane a year.
I punch a plane shut up in a year, man. You come out and push it, man. Yeah, man, you push it plane, man. Mr. Vibe, yes, I train punch already. A train punch, where you go though?
Train puncher.
Yeah, train puncher, man.
Train puncher.
Yeah, a Blackie Road.
Yo, people.
Man.
Yo, people. This is Bushy Park. I don't know Kirky and Steady last name, but they are brothers. And they think alike, right?
Hey.
And they reason alike, and they talk alike.
The man them
It's
figure.
a train puncher.
So we know say we are not jacket, we are one blood.
It's a train puncher.
They come out and,
And they come out and push it, right?
Plane,
And plane stopping at the ear, and then come out and push it.
Hey, the man them have a wriggle. But what you don't do if you sell? Sell what? Tights and slim.
So Mr. Patrick,
Oi.
you want to see half a again with two, yeah?
Of course.
Hey, okay.
Okay, they want me to text him.
Yeah, that's true, man. Hold on.
Yeah, they turn into it. No, they won't go away.
Yes, you bad.
Mark! Mark!
Yeah, you see them. You see them. They just said nothing. Alright, you know, say you can't spell rat. Everybody can spell rat, right?
Rat.
Alright, I want you to spell rat with one letter.
We get to what they are, man. So.
You get it? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Spell rat with one letter.
What?
One letter.
In the alphabet.
One letter.
One letter,
Yeah,
and that is
rat.
R. That is R. Do anything you want to forget that spell it.
Yeah, spell one rat. We do just one letter.
Anything you want to do.
Rat with one letter.
Yeah, give me R. That's R.
With the letter R.
Yeah.
Find only one letter can use R. Or spell rat.
Eh?
One letter.
No rat AT.
No.
What?
What if it's a rat? Oh, you have
One letter.
Which one letter that?
R80.
R80.
R80. Say number
R80.
80. Number 80. Number 80.
Oh, R80.
Yeah, R80.
Oh, I get it. I get
say
it.
fast.
So R80.
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 Yeah, and that's the R use. Yeah, man.
What's the last name? What's the last name, Kirky?
Grass.
What?
Grass. BRA.
Copper.
Grass.
Copper.
BRASS.
No, BRAS.
BRAS.
Yeah, one is.
If next one,
Let's suppose I take off the B and put R there.
One piece. What do you go to? Where do you go to?
How Indian people get the name brass?
Why, we're not in one.
They either near sing, Mohan sing, Punjabi, or some sing bing, ya bing ching. Oh, you get brass.
Maraja, then something.
Maraja,
And the cup of the door.
we don't want.
No, we did a video for it. No, we got to do that video for it.
We do want name.
Is that camera?
Very well, we'll go for room.
Trevor Mirage and St. Catherine.
Oh, is that camera?
Go for room, man.
Very good man.
Big up yourself, who? Trevor Mirage.
Trevor. In dead man.
Oh, in there. Big up yourself in the afterlife. Got him!
So, Kirky, what takes so long? What takes so long? Boxy gun! Boxy gun! Kirky, how safety for your hand? And I war with it.
No, we are dealing with safety. Look here.
No, Kirky.
Look here. We deal with safety first.
When?
Safety first. And a fishing trip. Look here. This one I use even fish. Get it.
I see everything.
Hey.
I don't know how. Hello.
What's up, Bushy?
If you come and war off safety and pan gun. What kind of madness that? Me put my life at risk with them and I come and war.
Two shots, I take him. Yeah.
You know, so that tell me.
What bird boy?
Please, always remember safety first. Because
from
bird season start off with a fatal shoot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I think in Montego Bay. You see it.
What,
Big
because
up to deepest condolence to that family.
Yeah.
No,
Who lost them loved one.
Yeah.
Because of some accident, some freak accident. As a hunter and as a shooter, I advise you to be careful. Always keep your safety on no matter what. Do not fire low, no matter what. If a bird is flying fast, there is a lot more to come. Let him go. If you're not bag up, that don't mean nothing. It's all about safety. Yes. So the man have safety now. You are telling man say foolishness that he have. That's why the man fire low and stone gun cause
safety of foolishness.
I say when I can't fish hook in the notice, I have some kind of fish hook pint.
But me need to teach you, off camera. Right?
So when you go worry to go to safety pin.
So we're out here shooting birds. Right? And we're waiting on the birds to come over. And we're saying Mark Kirky.
No, we never say
why should he have the safety on? We are looking out for him telling me the birds are covered. Birds are there. But many people don't know that.
Yes. You don't shoot low.
You don't shoot low. So that's what causes most shooting accidents, because people don't want to see a bird pass and just scream for anything. So they shoot even 3 feet from the ground, which is very, very risky and dangerous. So if you happen to see that happening, pack up and go home.
Yes, man.
Because guess what? You might be just leaving with your life.
One bird don't worth somebody's life.
No, no worth it, none at all.
Exactly.
And it's full time we start them phone.
What hot when you shoot a man, you can't pick him and roast him. That I think.
Somebody igloo right there, I do color.
Oh, the man are evil, you don't want a man feet.
But that's the 7 piece we don't take this for joke. Condolence to the family who have lost their family member.
Yes, sir. I two we get it's safety and lick him and phone him next one. Don't. Yeah.
But him right do. Who tell him to shoot him?
What?
The bird.
Oh, shoot him. The bird have to get shot, man.
Who tell him to shoot him? Who tell him to shoot him?
Then hold on.
Who tell him to shoot him?
So why? You see it?
But me tell him to shoot him.
Yeah, license to shoot.
Because when you take off safety, you say, no, Mr. Patchman, you want me to shoot him, Kirky.
Then why when me down I reach them and say,
oh, it's a big crane, yeah.
Why you never tell us to hook the fish right there?
But vibes.
The vibes, hook him.
Yeah, big fisherman. Safety the parada reel.
Yeah, because I put on some pan the hook tip.
Safety the parada reel.
Hook tip. Hey.
Under.
The camera no used to the loud banging. You understand?
I good man.
Steady, you go down there?
Yeah man, me good man.
Alright, big up yourself, you know? Yeah man, big up Alex Sedway.
Yeah man. Alex and Charlotte Sedway.
Charlotte Sedway.
Yeah man.
Hey, big up yourself. Big up on yourself, Alex and Charlotte. Charlotte and
Charlotte. Big up my daughter Nesha, you know? Big up 21, you know? September 12. Anyway, I shouldn't call out that, but say Kerry, Alex, whole thing, you know? Camar, Kashif, Kensha, my son. Love and our family, you know me. I say, mother, mama, you don't know I love you, know. Brother, no,
MJ.
Come on.
What MJ?
MJ.
Hey, big up my brother Patrick and Debbie, you know, for real. I would love to say, you know, my whole family all about, the whole of my friend in the whole world. One love and unity, me I say. Birthday to them, I enjoy my good friend them.
Yeah,
Mr. Patrick up and send his better and come chill, you know.
Yeah, with
Anyway, one
cup
love,
of seasoning.
With the blessing.
Guys, a seasoning. Guys, a cup of seasoning.
But you see, once we carry season, the bird have to come.
Alright, so what do that? Roast the bird or tomorrow?
No, you can't carry me, so I can't give me bird.
Can't get bird feed. The other one left hungry.
No, but you can roast the bird.
No, and me left carry breakfast gonna give you.
Yeah. But me eat breakfast already, so I never have to eat here.
You already.
Ah, you want a light gear, sure.
No, man, can't.
Watch the shot.
Get him. You get him. In jump. In gone.
Shot. Yes, get it.
In get him. In gone jump. In gone jump. On the gone jump.
Get him and jump, you can't jump. Get bird that. Hey, bird that.
Yo, Sean. Look at the pants and tell me how kind of designer pants are.
Chinese writing. There man tell us, yeah, fully come on. Fully.
You ever see?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Two of them down. Two of them.
You know, my ex-bleed China, so he didn't want the hot man to come and face guy, you know?
Wanna big him up for me.
Mr. Sean,
Big up, me G.
Fall up. Alright, you saw the rich person get, pass person get till you reach our next gate. You call this up.
No, pass Percy yard.
Yo, yourself. Yeah, man. Go on, call man the riches.
How far phone?
I don't have your phone.
You know what I'm making phone, brother?
Alright, sir.
On the car up your phone.
Hey, give it a rum.
Hey, hey, look here. Calm down.
Everything that moves,
Die.
everything that moves,
Die.
stand the risks of
Die.
being shot.
No, you can't do that.
Alright, survives, don't move.
Stay still. Alright, stay still. Yeah, babes. Yeah, I want you, man. They say we don't know camouflage, but I show them say, yo, look at. Oh, they can't see me. They can't see me, my babes. Mr. Vaccine, good evening to you. You don't know you are such a darling and Dominic. Oh, that one is
Oh, you know she's a darling.
Oh, no, yourself.
Oh, you know.
No, oh, that one is so.
You tell us she's a darling?
Don't corrupt them. Don't make
She's
them
a
corrupt
darling,
them.
right?
Yeah, a darling. A darling dear.
Check it out.
How are they? Yeah, see them, see what I tell them? The max are coming wicked and fast now. Ingetina. Get him, man. Other hunter get him. I want to get shot. He get shot. He dead bird. That.
Dead bird.
Dead bird.
Dead bird.
Dead bird. Drop. Somebody shoot him again.
See me, lick him now.
Alright. Got him. Come here.
The next one there.
Got him. I could have take a picture with him. Yes, man.
Come
got
on.
him.
Oh, no. That's a crazy.
So what next one there?
Aye, bird.
See that two of them in front of you.
2 years, sir. Fall up, boy. What's that? In Japan,
Pick up that one there.
Go down, you know. I breeze that carry me them peeps, kale.
Some more come here.
Fall up, bird, man.
How we drop?
Fall up. See, you got mango. You got right in the mango. Fall up. Yeah, man, you got mango. Steady's going to get him, peeps. That's what it is. That's what's up. We're not about getting people, but almost there. Yeah.
Could I get shot in a Kirky?
Not correct now. Come. To you, Kirky.
Come.
My Patrick shot.
Gone.
I'm gone over there, sir. I'm gone, jump.
Kirky again.
Coming to you.
Really?
Turn.
Boy, die in the water there, sir. You fall up, Patrick, right side of you.
Gun empty, gun empty. Gun empty.
I look what come to you.
No, I'm not curling them. Also one. We getting them. We getting them. We in the bush, my peeps.
I come, me boss.
Come on.
You don't know me are doing still
Yes,
tomorrow.
man.
So
I
you
don't know
don't
so
know.
I have some chicken for cut up. My season for meat already. I don't
Yeah.
know. I'm fully active, man. I'm fully active, man. How to say no boom?
What go wrong?
So,
VIBEZ. Okay.
Kirky's birthday. So Kirky shot all the birds. And God was so good to him. The ones he shot flew right in his line of sight and he shot them.
In line of duty.
Right? So the ones that were in a rush to go home, trust me, they're flying really fast. Those birds are careless flyers.
Yeah.
And they should never get their wings.
Pool boy! Pool! Who shot them? No, sir. It's my friend. Ma. Yes, man.
Yeah.
Oh, the bird
Double,
stop right here.
Double. Yeah, double.
Where's the one?
Yeah, man.
The bird them do so. I check out with a
Anyway, it's a big one. I tapsy.
The bird them do shoot me. Shoot me.
I two in tech dog, me peeps. Yeah, man. Yo. Train up, my boss.
Huh?
Yeah, man.
So yes, my beautiful peeps, we have bagged out for today, you understand? Yeah, man, we shoot our limit, and as you say, we follow law, we follow protocols, you understand? So guys, today was a epic hunting, you understand? Yeah, man. So was it hunting so far, man?
It was a great day this.
Great day.
Morning and evening shoot.
Oh God, man. They bagged their own, my peeps, yeah, man. Yeah, man, we bag our one too, you understand? We bag, so you know, so you have pick bird. You understand? You have pick bird tonight. Yeah, man.
You know if I pluck them?
So how was it there today, sir? How was it there today?
I don't even know, you know.
You don't know? So you're in India?
Yeah. I enjoy the day till the mosquito then come and decide if them a hunt.
Hey, them a hold out me right now. We?
The boss behind it. You know if I pluck bird? Me here say I pick them. But you know if I pluck them?
Yeah, man. For the man a skin all what you call the fish? Jackfish, you know. A skin. Yeah, him make it be known to the world that they can skin. No, jackfish. Jackfish. Tell them where skin jack.
AKA peely fish.
Peely fish. They call him peely fish.
Some fried jack and gunga rice and peas.
That's nice.
Like a plan.
Some people remember, you know, always like, comment, share, and please subscribe. Until next time, catch you somewhere else again. You understand? You don't know say hunting for life, no? Out.